In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the high beam headlight bulb on this Volvo S60. This is going to be located in the front headlight assembly. Let's get into it. Now for the high beam, you do not need to take the airbox off on the driver's side. Just grab the cap right here. That comes off. You can reach in, grab the bulb, you want to twist it to the left. Grab the bulb. Then you have two little tabs right there. And I'll just use a straight blade screwdriver, get underneath the clips, and disconnect the bulb. Now take the new bulb. This is a H9 bulb. You want to plug it into the connector. You want to make sure you wear gloves or make sure you don't touch the glass. If you touch the glass, oils from your hand are going to get on it and then it's not going to last as long. And I'll slide it back in place. Get that lined up. And I'll push it in and twist it to the right. That's good. Take the cap and pop it in place. And you can do the same procedure on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.